Are you a scissors or a roller?
I'm a fold it, but
You just take the whole thing.
Just
we're gonna share it today.
The man, the myth, the legend, Lino from Chiara Cucina. Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome, Lino.
Thank you, guys.
We wanted to highlight a high quality frozen pizza. We've seen a lot of these type of pizzas coming into the store over the last couple of years, but you were one of the first. And what I find is with your product, it balances like really, really high quality, super crunchy, super fresh. And I was like, we got to explain to people what this is.
I'll explain it.
Okay, so first off, Chiara Cucina, who's Chiara?
Chiara's my mother and my youngest, my daughter. Chiara's Cucina, based on my mother's kitchen. And that's where I started, in my mother's kitchen, as an executive chef. So this is based on her upbringing in Matera, Italy. That's where we're from. So they have the old stone way of cooking. Type of dough is a little different than everybody else. We use our standard flours because we get a crunch all the time. That's where you see the color and the shape.
And always stone cooked. What does stone do really well when cooking pizza?
The crispiness.
Yeah.
Which is only 30% cooked still. So this looks fully cooked, but it's not. High heat at the bottom, high heat at the top, low in the middle. Crispy enough that you can't do at home. I'll do it for you. And as it thaws in the oven, the moisture will steam the middle, and 9 minutes you have a perfectly cooked pizza.
So they can't screw it up.
Well, they can.
So what's the difference between a pizza like this and a traditional frozen pizza?
The production. All the vegetables are cut by us. We have people that have to put all the ingredients on. We're like that old school family style, rustic.
Now these are the 4 flavors that we sell at all the Vince's stores right now.
Yes.
Canadese,
Canadese.
which I love, which is
The pepperoni, I was say mungie, but the pepperoni.
munch. You got the traditional Margherita.
Right, which is a fior di latte.
So why fior di latte instead of a buffalo mozzarella or a different type?
It's just enough moisture for the pizza, breaks up nicely, cooks enough so when we distribute it like this, it'll finish nicely in the oven. Because what I did notice in a lot of pizzas, soggy centers.
Over here, you get into your vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
Zucchini and peppers take center stage on this one.
And eggplant.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Yes, I see the eggplant.
And then finally, you got your
That's
Carnivora.
our version of the meat lover.
Your meat lover.
Which is pancetta, Genoa salami, and Italian sausage.
You're the chef.
I'm the chef.
Who runs the business?
My partner is Sylvia, my wife. I gotta give her props. She runs everything.
She's the brains of the business.
No, I didn't say that.
Okay. Oh.
There's a lot of work behind a pizza. Labeling, everything that goes with it, GS1.
All the orders.
Sylvia does everything to do with that and her
Okay.
team.
Okay.
I make sure the production's right. So I will give her the brain prop too, but
Yeah, I
You're
got
a
you.
team.
I
You're
got
a
you.
we're a
team.
team. It's a husband and wife team.
I like that. I'm imagining they're easy to cook. So what do we got to do?
Let's take it out of the freezer, cut the bag open, and throw it in the oven. So this is good for that kid that comes home and you're not home.
Yeah.
Just make sure they don't fall asleep on the couch and you got a pizza. We can do one of each.
Let's do one of each.
One of each, okay.
Oh yeah, look at the crust.
You get the crunch out of
Oh,
it.
yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, like look, it holds. It holds. There's no flop.
Yes.
I
Zero
feel like
flop.
David Portnoy, that guy that
Yeah,
does the pizza
exactly.
reviews.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. The undercarriage is good.
The undercarriage. That's really good.
Yeah.
Eh?
One of your tricks in the summer, and you've already got a barbecue at home.
Yeah. Throw it on the barbecue.
Yeah. We'll go
Perfect.
downstairs. We'll eat at the barbecue because that's the way we're gonna do it. Doing my duty.
So the trick on this.
So what's the trick? Teach me, my friend.
trick
Teach me.
on this is high.
High.
Where are we? Are we high?
We're high on everything right now.
Okay. Make sure you have a nice cold beer because you're going to be sitting out here for 9 minutes. These ones are on high.
Indirect heat.
Indirect heat. There we go. 10 minutes. And we've got a gourmet pizza outside on the grill. Look at that thing.
Yeah, man, it's beautiful. Pizza makes men happy. I like this. I think I would do this instead of the oven.
There you go.
I love this, man.
There's my fold.
All right. You made my summer. Thanks, buddy. It was good
Thank
having
you.
you.
It's a pleasure
Really
to be
good.
here.
Really,
Nice to meet
likewise.
you.
Likewise. Thanks, man.